Hello, welcome back. For those who are new, my name is Sightword Suzie. I'm here to help you learn and memorize your sight words. Let's get started. Let's start by reciting the uppercase letters of the alphabet. Try and say them with me, or repeat the letters after I say them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job. Next, we'll recite the lowercase letters of the alphabet. Try and say them with me, or repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent job. Today we're learning how to spell numbers. Our first sight word is the number 1. O-N-E. 1. Try and spell it with me. O N E 1. Let's spell it again. O N E 1. One more time. O N E 1. Great job. Let's keep going. Our second word is 2. T-W-O. 2. Try and spell it with me. T W O 2. Let's spell it again. T W O 2. Great job. One more time. T W O 2. Excellent. Our next word is 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Try and spell it with me. T H R E E 3. Let's spell it again. T H R E E 3. One more time. T H R E E 3. Great job. Our next word is 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Try and spell it with me. F O U R, 4. Let's spell it again. F, O, U, R, 4. One more time. Remember, repetition is key. F, O, U, R, 4. Great job. Our next word is 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Try and spell it with me. F, I, V, E. 5. Let's spell it again. F, I, V, E. 5. One more time. F, I, V, E. 5. Great job. Let's keep going. Our next word is 6. S-I-X. 6. Try and spell it with me. S, I, X. 6. Let's spell it again. S, I, X. 6. One more time. S, I, X. 6. Great job. Our next word is 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Try and spell it with me. S, E, V, E, N. 7. Let's spell it again. S, E, V, E, N. 7. One more time. S, E, V, E, N. 7. Great job. Our next word is 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Try and spell it with me. E, I, G, H, T. 8. Let's spell it again. E, I, G, H, T. 8. One more time. E, I, G, H, T. 8. Great job. Our next word is 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Try and spell it with me. N, I, N, E. 9. Let's spell it again. N, I, N, E. 9. One more time. N, I, N, E. 9. Excellent job. Our next word is 10. T-E-N. 10. Try and spell it with me. T, E, N. 10. Let's spell it again. T, E, N, 10. One more time. T, E, N, 10. Great job. Let's recap. When we do this, we summarize the words we've already spelled. Try and spell the words with me, or repeat after me. 1, O-N-E, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. 6, S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. 10, T-E-N, 10. Excellent job. Try to spell the words with me. 1, O-N-E, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. 6, S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. 10, T-E-N, 10. Excellent job. Let's spell the words one more time. 1, O-N-E, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. 6, S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. 10. T-E-N. 10. You did wonderful. I'm so proud of you. Watch the video as much as possible to memorize the words. And remember, repetition is key. One last thing. Hit the like button and subscribe so that others can learn and be just as great as you. See you on the next video.